first Indian manufacturer to voluntarily crash the Nexon, Safari and Curvv with Altroz, Punch and of course, the industry followed together. Now, when the legend returns, safety has to be legendary. To make safety truly legendary, we had to test the Sierra
2, 1.
against something just as legendary. When two legends collide, you don't witness destruction. It's simply an orchestra of precision. That's how a legend raises the bar, not by following norms, but by redefining them. And that's how we changed the game on safety again. One crash, one legend, one truth. So we designed this test to mirror real-world conditions. Is pure engineering truth